Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine. Children, let's go to our song. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear stones and beasts on the run. Good morning, dear flowers and birds on the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. Children, today I have a story for you. Do you like stories? The cicada and the ant. The cicada and the ant. Let's go. It was the end of the summer. Hot days. And the cicada was singing. And the ant was working. Look, children, the ant was carrying a big leaf. The cicada spoke. Ant, why? You work so much. Not necessary. Let's sing. Come on, children, sing with me. But the ant answered, Cicada, the summer is finishing. We need food. Stop singing. Collect food. Let's go. But the cicada, no. Ant, I like to sing. And time went by. The summer ended. The autumn came. And in the autumn, the cicada stopped singing. No more. But the ant continued to work, to carry big leaves to her house. But the cicada was tired. Oh, I need to sleep. And the ant continued working, carrying big leaves to her house. Students, what do you think is going to happen? Because first, the summer, after the autumn, and after the autumn, what happens? The winter. The winter comes. Brrr, cold, cold, cold. The ant in her house, she has a lot of leaves. A lot. A lot of food. Yes? And the cicada. Does the cicada have food in her house? Students, in the winter, the cicada doesn't have food. It's a big problem. The cicada goes to the ant's house and she speaks. Ant, please give me food. I'm hungry. Oh, I'm hungry. I want food. The ant answers, Cicada, in the summer, I was working, oof, carrying big leaves. But you were singing. Now I have food. Yes, a lot of food. Students, will the ant give food to the cicada? Yes or no? What is your opinion? Students, next class we will talk about the ant and the cicada. Okay? Thank you for this class and let's sing our song. Dear friends, bye-bye. Dear friends, bye-bye. Be well and safe. Be well and safe. My love be ever with you. Again, dear friends, bye-bye. Dear friends, bye-bye. Be well and safe. Be well and safe. My love be ever with you. Thank you. Bye bye.